Today I'm riding double chairs. They're nice little chairs. They're just a little thing. There's the houses by the slopes. Coming up on mid-station there. This is chair one. Main double chair to the bottom. There's the other lift over there that isn't running. That's the only one that ain't turning today. There's a slope. Nice houses down here. I'd like to have one of them. There's mid-station to the chair number 2, the second double. Yeah, I'd work there sometime. There's a ramp mid-station. That means we're about halfway down the mountain. There's a journey to the bottom of this one. Not high in the air, moving fast. Look at me ring button. We'll fix some stuff down here.
Hey, you're going down by Tower 9. It sounds like something's running.
I'll report it.
Yeah, I am definitely not even.
So Tower 9. Sounds like something is running. I'm hearing it too now. So he's talking about. Sounds like it was in the line up there. Tower 9. I certainly know what he was talking about there. Tower 9 means not far from the bottom here. I can see the bottom.
7 swans are swimming! 6 geese are laying!
Kids carrying on. There's a lot of kids in this lift. Yeah, that's Tower 7. The one behind me is 8 and 9 is making that noise. how it looks coming into the bottom here. Bottom of Blue Knob here. See, it's trees then after this. These double chairs are comfy. Snowmobile